Namaste dosto, welcome back to Recipes and Life. So friends, this what you are seeing is scuba diving clip which I have added just to inform you all that if you have not checked my first 3 videos, do check those videos too to get all the information related to how we traveled and what were our experience, how did we plan our this 4 days trip to Maldives, and accordingly I have divided videos in 4 parts. So this is the fourth part of the travel journey. So do see those videos too and come back and join me on this journey of part 4 to Maldives. So this video is all going to be about our visit to the most awaited water villa. So for the bookings of water villa, you can directly visit the site of any particular villa you have to visit. You can just Google and you'll get number of resorts over there. So you can just see the water villa is available in that particular resort or not, and then only go ahead with the bookings. So friends, we started our road journey, and this is a van which took us to the beautiful Valana International Airport. And from there was a speedboat which took us to the resort. And this is the guy over there in a white shirt with the blue board, and this is how in the Maldives they manage. They have these booths near the international airport, and then you have to go to that particular booth of the hotel. So there are around 100 of hotels over there, and there are small single person standing booths in the airport. So you have to visit these booths, and the person will take you to this location where your speedboat is going to arrive in couple of minutes, and then you will be heading towards your resort. So this is the same process happens with all the resorts. Okay, so no matter whichever water villa or resort you're booking, you have to do the same process. Okay, so the other thing is you can do the booking through the agents also. In Hul Humale, where we stayed, there were number of agents with the small shops located on the island, and then you can go to those shops and plan your trip accordingly. They do have number of water activities to be done, and they will just explain you everything. You just have to go there. I will give the details in the description section below. You can definitely go there and check. It is going to help you. So till the time our speedboat was arriving, we were made to wear the safety jackets, and they were not very heavy safety jackets. It was just with the bar on the shoulder and on your chest. That's it. And then you can see now here, even the toddlers were supposed to wear it for the safety purpose. But see to it that they don't have baby seats in the speedboats, so you have to take your child on your lap and hold them tightly, because the speedboats, as the name suggests, move very fast on the water, and it is going to be a bumpy ride, which I will show you ahead. So hold on to your baby very safely in your lap, and then once you reach there, definitely it's going to be a beautiful journey ahead. So Simba is looking a bit scared, as you can see, because he had that Oman experience, which we had those adventure done in Oman also. I will be uploading those videos also very soon. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, I would request you to subscribe.
Keep the jackets on and please hold the baby safe. Enjoy your stay with the Taran.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
I'm talking syncopated breathing, love every evening, going 365, dancing every night, fading in. I feel permanently high. I'm talking you and I, going 365.
So after the wonderful experience in the speedboat and the ride was awesome, we were received here with a warm smile, and wet tissues were handed over to us on this receiving desk. After this, we headed towards the reception area where we did the formalities and then moved ahead towards the water villa. Just in case if you are tired, then from reception you can book a buggy, and they will buggy service till your water villa. They will drop you to your booked villa. Till our formalities were done, we preferred to just go around and explore this island. And here you can see, as Maldives is known for honeymoon destination, so these were the small cute cards in a heart shape and red color put on a banyan tree, and it was looking wonderful. And Yeah, the premises was quite good. So we preferred to walk till our villa. And yes, you can give your luggage to the person and then he just keeps it outside your villa. So we were here on a beach after some time and enjoying our liquids and the food. And you can see it is very green over here. All full Maldives is just so beautiful. It's bright green in color. The sky is wonderful and the water is so clean and clear. The place is really very good to visit, and we had a very good time on this villa. And there were the spots you can see to keep the glasses, because we tend to drink lots of liquid over here, and the juices, because it is a little bit of humid, so you sweat a lot, and that's why you intake lots of liquid. And then we did some photoshop, like we did some reels and then captured few pictures before entering our villa. So stick on, I will show you how the villa looked from inside and what all was there and how was the view from the villa.
Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the care. I have the care, baby, I'm enough. Yeah. Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the care. I have the care, baby,
So here, once you enter, there is a big bed on there, and we had also requested for the toddler bed also. So if you are having kids with you, you always put on a request for the additional toddler's bed. Again, this is the attached washroom, which was so elegant, and mostly it was made of, you can see, wood, and this gateway directly takes you to the ocean ahead. And there was this staircase. You have to be really careful when you have kids with you, and this is from where you can directly enter, and this is your private area. You can hop inside the sea anytime you feel like, and they also had those tables like outside kept, so if you want to have some cozy time having your meals together, then you can definitely have your meals there also. So this was our villa, and this is a route which you must have seen in most of the pictures or like films, and this is how it looks like. This is a wooden track where you can walk from, but I was a bit skeptical because there was no side railings over there, and we had a toddler. So like, mommies, be very careful if you have your kids along with you and if the kids are of younger age. Otherwise, it was a beautiful place to be. Like, you can see the roofs and the wooden structure. It really looked very warm, and the stay was quite pleasant. There are specific areas on the island for your extra activities, like if you want to play football, basketball, or you want to relax there on the beach side, that you can book a buggy, because you can see the distance is quite, to walk away every time. If you want to go there on the island, you can, I would suggest you always book a buggy. It would come near your doorstep, just near the door of your villa, and they will take you and again drop you back whenever you want. But yes, we found that the waiting period for the buggies was quite high, so we were like up and down mostly on our feet, and it was really good to walk. That's the reason, and the weather was pleasant. That was another reason. But definitely do use the buggy service. It would be saving your time. Yeah, it is quite a bit of walk, so do use the buggy service, which
gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. Gotta work, never doubt, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel, any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. Once you finally get a taste of the race, never look back once you feel that.
So now you can see Simba is sitting on the swing and there's no water at all. Or the sea has gone inside, you know. This is a low tide timing and the sun is not yet set. So do click pictures before the sunset and be very attentive and ask the people over there, the staff I mean to say, that when is the low tide timing, so that accordingly you have to take the pictures. Otherwise you would miss beautiful pictures with the water in the
सूरज के साथ
background and
बौछारें गिर
stuff
रही
like that.
And somebody is looking very handsome.
बस करो कोई बोले साला एक फोटो खींचे
And these two monkeys are looking just like monkeys. इसका नाम पुकार.
अरे वीडियो है ये तो रुको
Enjoy the marine life when you are in Maldives. Now you can see these are the camouflage fish that you are not able to spot them in the water. And if you are tired of walking, then you can ask for the buggy from the counters to drop you till the other spot. And it does take time, but then if you are tired and with the family, then you can definitely ask them to drop you by. So friends, we were staying in Adaran Resort and they had that water villas which we had confirmed because that was something we had to visit. And let's talk about the food over here. Food was really very nice. They have this specific restaurant and there you would find different type of continental dishes also available in the same restaurant. You can see this is an open setup and again lots of greenery around. So this was quite similar to the Kerala and very green and bright in color, and people were wearing lungis instead of pants. You can see inside when you enter, and it was really nice, and we had that Kerala kind of feeling over here. But about the food, there was varieties of dishes available and it was super tasty. Even for the babies and the toddlers, there were varieties available. Also, other than this particular restaurant, you will find different spots on the island where you can go and have the snacks item and then some cold or teas and coffees. There are the small counters available. So it is not like you will be starving on the island. There are the counters where you can enjoy.
I was born feet in the dust. I built my reputation, fought for recognition. I was raised an underdog, would take any evasion and without hesitation. I was born feet in the dust. I built my reputation.
Exit straight up. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Hey, wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wipers on the bus go. Hey, wipers on the bus go. All through the town. Doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Doors on the bus go open and shut all through the town. Horns on the bus go beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. Horns on the bus go. How does the horns go? Horns on the bus go. Beep, beep, beep. All through town. Mama's on the bus go. Shh, shh, shh. How does mama go? And how does baby go? But baby, see my baby? Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. Baby's on the bus go. Ooh. Ooh. Baby's on the bus go. Ooh. Ooh. All through the town. Yay! Clap, clap, clap your hands. Good job. Good job. Now what?
Day goes by, should be running through my mind. I know it's over, but I
This is TT and Snooker's table over here. So there were families coming here and enjoying and spending some time. Other than that, as I mentioned, there are big courts also around the island. You can do snorkeling also. You again have to inquire for the place and then head there for the timings according to the high and low tide, and they will give you the snorkeling equipments and you can just grab them and go ahead. The water is not that deep, so you can definitely enjoy that activity over here. Again, this is all including in your package, so you don't have to pay anything extra other than the drinks. Yeah, they had mentioned the prices, have to pay them extra for those. Other than that, most of the activities were included in the package.
Hello? कोणच नाही आहे. येताना माणूस होता इथं. जा पाण्यात मग असंच. हा स्विमिंग पूलला आहे बसतो. इथं पण छान आहे ना, इथं नको.
I'm riding with you, baby. I know it's been hard lately. It's not meant to be easy. It's not meant to be. But I swear that I'm not leaving. What you need is a reason. It's not meant to be easy. Then I did, then I did, then I did. Yeah. Then I did before. And I just can't let you go. I swear I tried to. I can't let you go. I swear I tried to. You know I tried to.
स्टेट जाना है अपने को.
सही लग रहा है.
हाँ. अच्छा क्या एक वन डे इधर स्टे किया.
Never really say what you wanted from me, baby, but I know what you want. Yeah, I know what you want.
So Adaran Select Hudhuran Fushi was the full name of this resort, and yes, it was beautiful. So definitely you can come here in case you are planning to visit Maldives. So yeah, we also went for a dolphin sighting over here. Again, they do have those activities included. So according to your package or whatever is included, you can ask them and take those water sports. Expectation and the reality. The videos are so trending these days, and to put in front of you the reality of what a villas is this. This was the low tide timing, and you can see the sea has gone inside, the water is gone inside, and you can see the moss and the corals all, if the water is not there, there is no much beauty over here. It's very painful to say, like, if you invest so much money and book that one night stay over here and this is the condition, then it really feels very bad. So if you are putting in lots of money and hard earned money, then this is the reality, friends. Since the advertisement is being done so well that they show you all the glorified things, right? So don't go for it, don't fall for those advertisements. This is a reality, and it is too costly, so don't go for it. There are much better place in India itself. Like, you can go to Himalayas, Dalhousie, that is Sikkim, or there is Kerala for greenery and beaches if you are fond of. So do visit India, you will experience the beauty there. So next day afternoon, we were back to our room, which was on Hulhumale Island, and it was a beautiful room with an attached kitchen, which we prefer. And this is a tip for all the families which has toddlers or small kids or babies with them. Always book a flat or a room or Airbnb where there is kitchen provided, especially a stove or a kettle. Something should be there to cook quickly for your toddler, or at least you can make the food warm or the water warm when you need it to feed your toddler accordingly.
भाई हो तो ऐसा नजर ना लगे। चलिए पूरा ये भी पूरा मजा। थैंक यू भैया। हगी दे भैया, हगी दे हगी। किसी दे भैया को। से थैंक यू भैया। ए सिम्बी कम हियर। सिम्बा से थैंक यू। से थैंक यू भैया। से थैंक यू। कसला कस्टमर है, वेरी बैड कस्टमर।
So let's see how the room looked like. That was a room with king size bed, and then there was attached washroom to it. Also, this is a kitchen which has OTG, fridge, and the gas stove. Then there was this small sofa set, cloth hanger to dry your wet clothes since you will be going lots in the water. And there's many restaurants available on Hulhumale, and you can enjoy your food there. There is also a Bombay Darbar restaurant which was quite okayish in taste, but the price was just too much. It was a bit of expensive. And this was the breakfast which we got every day for continuous 3 days, and one day was on villa, so that was different. But this is how they serve your breakfast every day. This is sunny side up, and then those were 3 slices of bread with some fruit, jam and butter. and some hot dogs also. If you are non-vegetarian, then you would get this. If you are a vegetarian, I don't think there is much of choice to eat other than bread, jam, butter, some fruits and some bread. They do give you some tang. So I hope friends you all are enjoying the video, and I will keep the content very raw and as it is for you all to watch, so that you get the reality check of the places we visit, and I hope you all like it. So thank you for subscribing, and if you are a new viewer, please do consider subscribing, as it helps me in motivating and capturing more videos, because along with the toddler it becomes really difficult to capture wherever we go. So do support, and thank you again for those who have subscribed and liked the videos. Thank you so much. So this is the beach which was just in front of our hotel, and it was so clean and pretty good. And yes, the swings which you saw in the resort which we visited, you will find those kind of swings everywhere in each of the Maldives islands. So don't hesitate to capture pictures over there, because it would give you the same picturization which you will get in the resort which we visited. I'll show you ahead. And now Simba is crying because he doesn't want to come out of the water, and with kids it does happen like this. So guys, please subscribe and encourage me because I'm not able to express like how difficult it is to capture videos along with the baby or the toddlers, you know. So do subscribe and do encourage me. And yeah, this is a restaurant which we came often because the taste was good and it was more of spicy and we liked it. And yeah, this is the swing which I was talking about. This is one kind of swing, and there are other swings which are there on the trees. So there are varieties of swings along the beach side. So there is so much scenery over here that you can capture pictures everywhere and anywhere. And this is a swimming pool which was there in the sea, and this is a proper professional swimming pool which the training was also done and the competitions were held here. When we were there in the one of the evenings, we saw the students over there and they were practicing. So this was something very different which we saw, a swimming pool in the mid of sea.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
Plane, and the frequency of seaplanes or from whole Himalaya is almost 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes you would see one seaplane flying above you. And yeah, this were the swings I was talking about. So again, Yashveer went to another swing where you can lie down, and yeah, it is such a beautiful place, friends. This is another video where Yashvi did scuba diving. So if you have not seen those first, second and third part of my Maldives series, do check that video. Also, you will definitely gain lots of information in case you are traveling there. So friends, thank you for sticking together. Now I will be showing you a video which is of Abu Dhabi airport, from which we came from Abu Dhabi till Maldives. We had took this Wizz Airlines. It is quite affordable, but there is an issue of delay. So be prepared. If you are saving something, be prepared to wait on the airports. The airport has so much facilities. Also, you can enjoy the lounge area where you can feed your kids. If you have credit cards, then it is free access, as you all must be aware of it. So I will be posting ahead in some of the video the lounge access, which is there in your credit card limits. And yeah, it is free. Just to inform the viewers who are not aware, if you have a credit card, the lounge access on the airports are free for you. So this is how the Abu Dhabi airport looked like, and this was our flight with airline. It was a very small flight, or the aircraft compared to other aircrafts, but the legroom and other things were quite similar to Indigo or Jet Airways, similar kind. So now let me take you to the Maldives airport.
Plane.
This is Maldives airport, and it is very small, but since it is small, it is so quick that the immigration process and process are like very fast. We didn't have to wait for longer time. I mean, we were here within around like 10 minutes or so after entering the airport, and since we had the toddler, we had the access of this business class entry. We were not sitting in the business class since we had booked the economy class seats, but yes, you can access that if you have a small baby with you. So thank you for sticking together, friends. See you all in the next video. Do subscribe if not yet. Bye, take good care.